Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the physical link. Connect the A50 base to your PC with the supplied USB cable and power the dock. Place the headset onto the dock so it charges and the base reports ready. Once done, launch Astro Command Center on your PC. The software only detects the headset when the base is connected and powered. Make sure Windows finishes any driver installs before moving on because the app needs the device listed to proceed. With the base recognized, you choose the A50 in Command Center and let it enumerate. If a firmware update appears, accept it. This fixes compatibility and only takes a few minutes. Do not remove power. After firmware is current, configure EQ, mic sidetone, and chat mix to taste. You should save those choices as a profile so you can recall them instantly. Once profiles are saved, the app has written settings to the base and headset for use across sessions. Finish by selecting the A50 as your Windows default playback and recording device, then run a quick audio and mic test in Command Center. If everything sounds right, remove and reseat the headset on the dock to confirm settings persist. If the app does not detect the base, try a different USB port or cable, run Command Center as administrator, and reboot the PC. These steps clear driver or permission issues. If problems continue, power cycle the base and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.